So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. I gotta show y'all more of the kit, man. It's a nice day. It's not too windy, but I want to show y'all more of the kit. But anyway, it's the baby. Don't mind it. I'm charging it in. I got it on a trickle charger or something like that. My battery is total sorry, so I need to buy a new battery. But as y'all can see, the kit is doing amazing. Like I said, there was pieces that go right here I didn't use. That's how much I had to cut, really. So I got a lot of space, so I probably will. I think I found some coilovers on Facebook for the charger I may get. But like I said, I can probably drop it a little more. Got that. Like I said, I had to cut all the way up in here. Painted the side markers, the badges. I still had like the door pieces. Didn't want to add those. I kind of like it wasn't gonna change the outlook of the whole car. But looking back at it, look at that baby, bro. It's just sitting crazy and thick. It's just sitting crazy and thick, bro. But I want to come back and just show y'all more of the kit where it's not wind and blowing anywhere. Like I said, painted those myself, bro. Matched the calipers with the SRT. Red and white with the bolts. Forged carbon. I am going to forged carbon on the roof too. So coilovers for forged carbon on the roof. Half red, half white. I don't know why I keep saying diffuser, bro. Splitter. No, not even a splitter. I'm dead. Wicker bill, bro. God. But yeah, like I said, my look is kind of like gloss black, white, and red. Got the tips, gloss black diffuser. I was gonna do a splitter, but the sides of the kit are a little thick. I forgot. I probably gotta cut the fans off. But like I said, it's red and white inside. Red and white everywhere. Red, white, and black inside the engine too. So I got that on there. But yeah, I probably will forge carbon on the roof. And that's pretty much it. Forge carbon on the roof and coilover. So I can adjust the ride height. I know I can lower it a little bit more in the back since I got so much room. But the main reason, like, why I switched the kit, or switched from this kit, like from the stock Widebody kit, was one, the paint job was ass. I got done real wrong. I paid like $1,000. I think like it was $1,300 for a full paint job. I got it back chipped. Got done wrong, bro. It was just a horrible experience. He took like a month or so to even paint the kit, and then I had to wait. And then I finally get it back, and I get an ass paint job. So that was one factor, but the kit now, I fixed it up myself. I got the same paint coat, went over it, sanded it a little bit, put clear on it, bro. Hooked it up for my friend because I didn't want to give my friend an ass paint job kit. So I pretty much touched it up, fixed it up all for him. So he's good, bro. He's good. But yeah, I was just like, one, the paint job was ass, and it kept bothering me because, you know, the small things bother you when you know and see it on your car. So I was like, that bus bothered me too much. And then I was like, why do I want a kit to make it look stock? Yeah, I can wrap it, but at the end of the day, it looks like a stock Widebody kit. And the point of my build is to make something not look stock. Make it look different, make it look like, make people break their necks, make it be like, oh, what the fuck is that? Like, you know, I've done not regular traffic, you know what I'm saying? Just something different, bro. But that's pretty much why I chose the Lions kit. It's different when the one, I know nobody really has it in Waco, bro. Like, seriously, no big kid and stuff. Like, nobody has ever seen this kit in Waco. So that's the main reason too. It's different. It catches your eye. All my patterns, my color scheme, everything. Like I said, I got 2-inch spacers in the back, and these are 20x11 wheels with a negative 2.5 offset. So that worked out perfectly because it's sticking out perfect for the kit because now we got that big end back there. But it's sticking out pretty good. But you can see, man, that's pretty much it. I want to give y'all a quick little update of the a whole new car revamped. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, may get some coilovers. Gonna wrap the roof for sure, so I can have that full forged carbon going right. But and that's pretty much it, really. Just going around for y'all, and just look at it, bro. Like, look how much you can see the tire on that bitch, bro. I love that. I love the way the back looks. I love the way the front looks. It's aggressive in the back, cause like, well, come on, bro. You see something, you ride up on this, you like, what the fuck? It's like a race car or what, bro? But let me go to the front real quick. New badges too. Everything else is pretty Gucci, bro. New badges, all that. Yep, y'all can see. Aggressive. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Just looking at everything. But remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I will catch y'all later, and thanks for watching. Peace.